strife. Second life, I'm no longer alone, but don't tell my wife. When I fly through the air like a bird or a plane, I'm looking for love in a brand new game. My body is so slim, my belly is gone. The women are lovely and my is so long. I met a young lovely whose hair was bright blue. She showed me some tricks her sex that could do. And after we'd done just about everything, she stood up on her forelegs and flew away with her wings. Second life, I found an escape from all worldly strife. Second life, I'm no longer alone, but don't tell my wife. But there is no way I can make her my wife. They don't do such strange things here in Second Life. So we talked about meeting in the real world, but still there's one tiny problem out there. She's called Bill. One final thought I must leave you with. Yes, true life's a bitch, and S sounds a true gift. So use it wisely. It's your second life, and most important of all, don't tell your wife. Second life, I found an escape from all worldly strife. Second life, I'm no longer alone, but don't tell my wife.